Let Us Entertain You is a family-owned restaurant company. We've been in business since 1971. We manage over 100 restaurants. Our system prior to NetSuite was probably over 20 years old, so it was not cloud-based. It sort of existed in information silos, so each of our restaurants are their own legal entities, so they operate totally independently of each other. It took us close to a month to close our books and roll up and know what we were doing as an entire company instead of just one unit as a standalone. And it kept us from growing in a way that was financially meaningful. I think we were just ready to grow continuously with a system. We wanted a cloud-based solution so that we never ran into a situation where it became outdated again, right? We were looking for someone to partner with. So currently in NetSuite, we run the ERP solution, and we are about to go live with the fixed asset management solution. We've cut about 2 weeks out of our close process and probably about 2 months out of our year-end close process. NetSuite ERP is great for restaurant and hospitality industry employees because it's real time, it's quick data, it's at your fingertips, it's very customizable, so different users have different needs and the dashboard allows for those different needs to be recognized. Because NetSuite is so easy to understand and the information flows through the system so quickly and is so easy to access, these users can now participate in making the system better. They get excited about how quickly they see things, and that sparks innovation. We selected NetSuite Advanced Customer Support because we knew that we did not have the capacity to onboard a NetSuite administrator at the time. They were a team of professionals that had worked in other hospitality projects before, already spoke the language, understood where we wanted to go, and helped us get there in the end. NetSuite Advanced Customer Support has impacted my day-to-day by taking a lot of that task management away from me. It allows me to be creative and innovative. NetSuite offers all of my users the clarity and confidence that they need to make real-time decisions quickly.